great kitchen design and renovation ideas. When remodeling the kitchen, there are various thoughts that need to be considered, like the kitchen design ideas, the size of your kitchen, and most importantly, your budget. Whether or not you design or remodel your own kitchen, or you prefer to hire a professional to do it, you will need thorough planning. It does not just save you time, it saves you money as well. You need to think about your present needs and the things that will need to be installed inside your kitchen. When putting into place all your kitchen design ideas, you must bear in mind that kitchen renovation should only be done once or for a couple of times in a lifetime. Therefore, your design should be modernized yet elegant in a way so that the design will be kept updated for the many years to come.